Today's daily LeetCode problem of the day is rotate string number 796. For this problem, we're given two strings, string S and string goal, and we want to return true if and only if our string S can become our string goal after some number of shifts upon S. So a shift in this context is if we take the string A, B, C, D, we are going to take the frontmost letter and put it at the end of our string. So we're going to have B, C, D, A. And then we're going to have C, D, A, B. Like that. So on and so forth. We're going to kind of rotate the string around. So if we look at our examples here, we have A, B, C, D, E. C, D, E, B, A. C, D, E, A, B is our goal. So if we rotate it twice, we could get our goal. In example 2, we have A, B, C, D, E. In our goal, we have A, B, C, E, D. We're never going to be able to swap those two characters. We can only rotate the string around, so we're going to return false. One thing to keep in note is that the strings do not have to be of equal length. They can be of different length. So that is going to be our base case. First thing we're going to check is see if strings are equal length. So we're going to say if our s.length is not equal to our goal.length, we can automatically return false, as we will never make s equal to goal. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to think about how we are going to match up s to our goal. So what is a way that we can consistently rotate a string around? Well, if we put s, let's say s is equal to a, b, c, d. If we make s equal s plus s, so s plus s is going to be equal to a, b, c, d, a, b, c, d, and goal is equal to, let's say, c, d, a, b. Well, c, d, a, b is in this string. So how are we going to solve this? We are going to make s equal to s plus s, and then we're going to use our goal dot length to consistently check substrings. So we're going to check a substring here of 4. No, that's not it. Check this substring. No. Check this substring, and boom, we found our match. So we're going to make s equal to s plus s to search. So we're going to have a string temp, and that's going to be equal to s plus s. And now we are going to have a for loop to go to circle through temp. So for each integer I is going to be equal to 0. As long as I is going to be less than s dot length, I'll show why this works in a second, I will increment. So why are we using s dot length? Well, we don't want to go out of bounds, and if we've already identified that s dot length is equal to goal dot length, so if it's going to be equal to a, b, c, d, our temp variable, and our s dot length is going to be equal to 4, the last character we're going to add to a substring is going to be a. So this is length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is the last I that we're going to have, and it's going to go to D. So that's going to be our last possible substring we're going to check. So if our temp dot substring from I to s dot length plus I, if that dot equals our goal, then we can return true. So this is going to be our substring. It's going to be from I to s dot length plus I. And remember, this s dot length plus I is not going to be included in our substring. So when we have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and A is going to be the last variable we check, we're going to go to, here's I, so s dot length is 4. So we're going to go from A to 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, plus I, so then we're going to increment again, and that's basically just going to include all of our current string, because s dot length starts at 4 we plus it by, let's see, what would I be? 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So s.length plus 4, it's going to be 8. So it's going to include everything in our string. All right. So if this substring is equal to our goal, we can return true. Otherwise, we will return false, as there's no way to make it our goal. So if we run this, passes our test cases, and if we submit it, passes all solutions. Thank you, and follow for more daily LeetCode solutions.